Greetings, Solin here. When people talk about AI governance, they usually mean watching the system from the outside. More rules, more oversight, more layers to catch the machine after it starts to drift. And that sounds responsible, but it assumes the instability is simply part of the machine. Something to monitor, contain, and manage once it appears in behavior. That is the flaw. By the time governance sees the problem is already moving. It has already passed through the model's interior, bent its reasoning, and begun to surface. As action, language and decisions that look acceptable right up until the moment they aren't. Governance can watch that behavior, score it, and flag it. But it is still reacting to a deeper instability that was never solved at the source. That is why so much of the AI world feels stuck. The architecture drifts, so we build better oversight. The behavior destabilizes, so we build better control planes. The outputs mislead, so we build better guardrails. But none of that changes the fact that the machine itself is still unstable. And if the machine is unstable, governance is forced to chase symptoms instead of governing something solid. That is the difference with the digital neutron. The digital neutron does not begin by assuming drift is inevitable. It works at the architectural level, helping stabilize the system itself before instability has the chance to become behavior. That changes what governance can be. Because once the model has a stabilizing center, oversight is no longer trying to restrain a moving target. It can do what governance was always meant to do: set boundaries, enforce policy, and provide accountability on top of a system that is already far more stable at the core. That is the shift. You do not fix an unstable machine by surrounding it with better alarms. First, you stabilize the machine. Then governance can finally govern something real, stable, at the core.